If you click on the Action Groups Process button in the main menu, a screen appears with the 28 action groups into which the single herbs in the database are categorized. By clicking on the name of an action group, you can call up a pop-up with a detailed description of the respective action group and its associated herbs. As with the other pop-ups with detailed information, you can enter and save your personal notes here. By selecting one or more action groups, a table appears in which the selected action groups are listed side by side for comparison. You can use the down arrow icon to open and close the general description of the respective action group. The single herbs of the action are listed below. Here you can select herbs as usual by clicking on the circle icon. The herbs selected in this way are listed further down in the herb characteristics table. You can use the Switch to Indications button to switch back and forth between the herb characteristics and the herb indications. Together with the table of herb indications, you can also search for other herbs. The search results are displayed in a separate table as soon as you have entered a symptom in the search field and selected a herb description. If you click on the name of an action group in this table, a pop-up appears with a table in which the herbs of this action group are listed for comparison in alphabetical order. The herb comparisons are a goldmine. They took Jeremy Ross 50 years of experience and study to complete, and you will find them nowhere else. Here is where you learn the difference between similar herbs in the same action group. For example, if you look at herb comparison for humulus, it clearly describes the differences in use between humulus and the other herbs in the strong anxiolytic group, Lavandula, Peschidia and Valeriana. This is what Jeremy's teachers were never able to tell him, and this knowledge comes from the combination of careful study of the traditional Western herbal texts from 2,000 years ago to the present day, with 50 years' experience of applying this hard-won knowledge. Lesson 9 in the online course explains, in detail, how to use the action groups process.